There are four forces affecting an aircraft. One of these forces is the weight pulling the aircraft downward from its center of gravity. The force meeting the weight and pulling the aircraft upward is called lift. Wings produce lift force. If the weight is more than the lift, the aircraft loses altitude. If the lift is more than the weight, the aircraft climbs. If both are equal, the aircraft continues to fly in a constant altitude. Another force affecting an aircraft is thrust. It pushes the aircraft forward, and it is produced by the engines. Thrust is produced as a result of a process when fuel and gas burned in jet engines is pushed out through the exhaust of the engine. The force opposing the thrust force and trying to slow down the aircraft is called drag. Drag consists of the combination of elements of air resistance on the body of the aircraft and the slowing effect of the air blowing in the opposite direction. Here, the rules are as follows. If the thrust is more than the drag, the aircraft gets faster. If the drag is more than the thrust, the aircraft gets slower. If thrust is equal to drag, the aircraft continues to fly at a constant speed. Let's see how wings produce lift. If you look at the wing section from the side, the geometric shape you see is called airfoil. If you pay attention, you will notice that it is in the shape of an asymmetrical water drop. Incoming air molecules are divided into two here. While one portion moves about the airfold, the other portion continues on its path through the bottom part. It has been found out that the molecules moving through the airfoil cover a longer path in a faster manner. Therefore, there will be a vacuum on the wings because the speed of the air flowing on the wings accelerated, but its pressure decreased. This vacuum pulls the wing up. Because the wing is attached to the plane is pulled upwards too. If attention is paid to the position of the edge of the wings on the ground, it is easily noticeable that the wings stretch up when the aircraft is flying. The edge of the wing comes almost to the same level as the ceiling of the plane. The same situation is true for helicopters too. The rotor blades on a helicopter dangles down when the vehicle is parked. But in the air, the blades make a V shape. That is why planes are called fixed-wing aircraft and helicopters are called rotary-wing aircraft.